Good morning all. How are you? Fine? Awesome? Okay, good. So, today we will begin with English text chapter number 3. Children, we have already read the chapter. So, today we are only going to do the book work. Okay, the book work that is given in your discovery book as well as in your workbook. Okay, so today to begin with we are going to start discovery. Okay, so children, you all are required to open page number 49 of your discovery book and we are going to fill the details asked in the questions. Okay, so children, quickly open to page number 49 of discovering book. This is your discovering book and you have to open to page number 49. Okay. Now children, the question says arrange the events in the order in which they come in the story. So we have read the story. कौन सा incidents कब हुआ था? We know it. So we have to read these lines and we have to put the numbers in which they are to be put. So one day while Anna was in the forest collecting fruit, she met an old woman. So this is, I don't think this is our first sentence. अगर इसके ऊपर वाला कोई sentence नहीं हुआ, then we will number it 1. The old woman gave the Anna a magic pot. This is also not number 1. Anna and her mother were very poor. They survived by eating fruits from the forest. So in the story, what was number 1? First we were told about that Anna and her mother were very poor. So this is number 1. Now what happened when they were poor? Anna used to go to the forest to collect fruits. So here I am given Anna was in the forest collecting fruits when she met an old woman. So this is number 2. Now find number 3 children, quickly. Find number 3. Yes, when she was collecting the fruits, Anna met the old woman and she gave Anna a magic pot. So this is number 3. Now, fourth, we will search for the fourth one. Now Anna and her mother were never hungry. They ate sweet porridge as often as they wanted. So this can be number 4, but we will read the other 2 sentences also. So they had to eat all the porridge to make their way back home. No. After she got the magic pot, she went home and she spoke to her mother. So we will find that sentence first. One day porridge overflowed from the pot and flooded in the streets. This is also not number 4. So fourth one is this. Because after she told her mother about the magic pot, then only she got to know that the magic pot overflowed and it went all over the street and they had to eat all the porridge to make their way back home. So fourth number pe, Anna took the magic pot to her mother and she told her that the old woman has given her the porridge pot. So now search for the fifth one children. So they had to eat. No, this is the last one. So one day porridge overflowed. So जब वो अपनी mother के पास लेके गई and the mother said cook little pot, so it started cooking and then after it did not stop. So the porridge overflowed. So here I am writing number 5. Now when the porridge overflowed, जब पूरे street में porridge आ गया, then what they had to do? They had to eat all the porridge. So this one is number 6 and the last one. Okay. So children, now we will do question number 3. That is, we have to rearrange the letters to make a proper meaningful word. So this exercise is on discovering book, in discovering book, page number 49. So the first one is RORPIGDE. So which word should I make? We have RORPIGDE. Which word should I make? Yes, you can see. This word says porridge. PORRIDGE. I-D-G-E. So we can find all the letters of porridge. So first one is now R-O-U-S-N-E-G-E. R-O-U-S-N-E-G-E. So what word can be made with this? Anna was very kind and generous. So we will first see all the letters we have generous for generous or not. So G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. G-E-N-E-R-O-U-S. Generous. The next word C-H-E-N-K-I-T. This is very easy. You all can find. Yes, kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. So first we will write K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Next D-E-T-P-R-E-N-E-S. So D-E-T-P-R-E-N-E-S. What word can we make with this? The old women dash Anna the little pot. क्या किया? Gift. What will we use for the word gift? Presented. Yes. P-R-E-S-E-N-T-E-D. Presented. Next, D-L-Y-R-R-I-E-H-U. When she saw the whole street was full of porridge, she ran towards the street. So she quickly, what is the word for quickly? Hurriedly. H-U-R-R-I-E-D-L-Y. Hurriedly. H-U-R-R-I-E-D-L-Y. Hurriedly. Hurriedly means very quickly. In a hurry. This is R-I-S-U-R-E-P-S. R-I-S-U-R-E-P-S. What word can make with this? Anna looked in dash at the street filled with porridge. Anna ने कैसे देखा? In surprise. So S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. Surprise. Check the spelling. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E. So all the letters are there. So one by one we will rearrange and we will write the correct spellings of these words. Okay. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 4 in the book itself, children. Now children, we will do these fill in the blanks in the book itself, which says a part of story, the sweet porridge, is given below. Fill in the missing words to complete the text. So we have to fill these missing words to complete this paragraph. So first have a look. The porridge was dashed from the pot. The porridge was coming out. So what do we say for coming out? Overflowing from the pot. But it went on dash. But when it was overflowing, then also it went on cooking. The dash and the whole house was full. So the kitchen and the whole house was full of porridge. The porridge soon overflowed to the next house and then the next, and gradually the whole dash was covered in porridge. So after houses were filled, the whole street was covered with porridge. पूरा street full हो गया था ना porridge से? Okay. No one knew how to dash it. So nobody knew how to dash the pot, how to stop the pot from cooking. At last, only a single house was left. Anna dashed. So Anna was out for some work, and when only a single house was left, Anna returned. वो वापस आ गई. She looked in, surprised. She was very surprised to see the whole street full of porridge. At the street full of porridge. Hurriedly, she said, "Stop, little pot," and it stopped. Quickly, hurriedly means quickly she said to the pot that now stop cooking. She said, "Stop, little pot," and it stopped. Everyone wanted to go back to their homes, so they had to dash all the porridge to make their way back home. So when the whole street was full of porridge, they had to finish. They had to eat all the porridge to go back home. Okay? Now we will do question number 5. So here children, take the words that describe Anna's character and appearances. So how was Anna? We have read in the chapter. So her character. Character means what she was good in and what she was bad in. उसका behavior कैसा था? So she was brave. We have not read in the story about brave. She was kind. Yes, she was kind. She was intelligent. We don't know because it was not given in the story. Stupid? No. Caring? Yes, she was, because she used to give all the hungry some food. Naughty? No, she was not. Good? Yes, she was. And generous means kind? Yes, she was. Next, appearances. How was she in her looks? She was huge? No, she is very small. So she was little. Dirty? No. Fat? No. Shabby? Shabby means unclean. That is dirty only. No, she was not small. Yes, she was a small little girl. Pretty? Yes, she was very pretty. And tidy means neat and clean. So yes, she was very neat and clean. So these are the characteristics, means these are the qualities of Anna, and this is the way she appeared, how she looked. Okay children? Now children, you are required to open your workbooks, that is my observation book, and open page number 29 on it. This page you will see. So you have to open this page. Okay? Children, what you have to do in this exercise, you have to think of any 3 acts of kindness. That means when you were good to somebody, and it can be friends, family or neighbor, and you have to write the emotions, how you felt, like happy, excited or wonderful. So number 1, I helped my mother in the kitchen when she was tired. So when my mother was tired, I helped her in kitchen. And how was the feeling? How did I feel? I felt wonderful. मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. And this is the emoticon, means you have to make an emotion. Okay? Number 2 act, I shared my book with my friend in the class when he forgot his. So when my friend forgot the book at home, I shared my book and I felt happy after doing it. And this is the emoticon. You can make another emoticon also children. Now the third one is, I gifted my brother his favorite toys on his birthday. So when my brother's birthday was there, I gifted him his favorite toys and I felt excited about it. I was very excited to give my brother his favorite toys. Okay children, so you will do all these exercises in your book itself. So children, this is all for today. We shall meet in the next class for the copy work. Till then you complete this work in a very beautiful handwriting and very neatly. Okay, so this is all for today. Bye bye, have a good day and take good care of yourself. Bye.